Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a beautiful owl, and also it's sitting on the branch in the dry tree in the night. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the ghostly view of this owl, and also this owl is wearing the costume of the witch or the wizard. Isn't that cool, right? Because we also changed the vibe into the Halloween vibe, and also there is the several features or the gloomy features like the cobweb and also the bats, and this is the gloomy clouds or grayish cloud. So isn't that cool, right? How to create it? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use your another favorite AI photo editing, then it is very okay guys. You can explore with it and you can go ahead, and don't worry because here I will also share you the prompt that I used to do the photo editing like this. So also don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this is the homepage look of the Google AI Studio. And after that I will click this try Nano Banana, and then second step is upload a picture from the gallery or the device, for example this one. And after that I will put the prompt into this section, for example like this, and you can simply give the screenshot to try this prompt into your version. And don't worry because you can also copy it from the description box below. So the prompt would be like this: transform the attached photo of the owl into the gloomy and spooky Halloween theme image. Like this. The owl appeared as the spirit creature with its entire body glowing in a holographic green, and also giving it an ethereal and otherworldly appearance. Dress the owl with a subtle witch costume, perhaps a miniature or weather witch hat or a tattered cloak. An overall atmosphere of the photo should be look spooky and unsettling, and also evoking a strong Halloween vibe with the dark shadows, mystical element, and a sense of eerie enchantment. Focus on cinematic lighting, 8K resolution, and also ultra detailed texture to enhance the ghostly magical effect. So after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, basically this is the same prompt that I used before to transform this photo to become this one. However, you can still also have the another version or another output, and you can check it out down here. And if you feel like not really satisfied about the output, don't worry because you can still rerun this prompt into this section or this section to get the another result. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.